Namaste friends. Today I shall show you a highly nutritious recipe made using Navara red rice. Navara rice is a traditional medicinal rice from Kerala widely used in Ayurveda. Reddish color comes from the bran layer which contains antioxidants and it is highly rich in polyphenols. It is protein rich, fiber rich and is a very healthy option because of the presence of iron, magnesium, phosphorus and other antioxidant compounds present. This recipe that we are going to see today is a complete meal in itself, containing all the nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, and everything you need. It has a very slow glycemic response, so even people with diabetes can consume this dish without any fear. Let us now see the procedure. Take 1 cup of Navara red rice, rinse them well with water, and then soak them in water for around 7 to 8 hours. Next day morning, spread them over a cloth. Once they are slightly dried, then dry roast them in a pan, and then once they cool down, transfer to a mixie jar and grind them to a coarse texture. Now, if you don't have much time and patience, you can just skip again drying the soaked rice grains on the cloth and then roasting them and grinding them. You can directly grind the grains of rice after soaking. But dry roasting makes the grain even more lighter and easy to digest. Also, this process makes the grain not stick to the bottom of the pan while cooking. And it also brings out that nutty, nice flavor and aroma out of the Navara grain. Take half a cup of whole masoor dal or green gram dal, rinse them with water and again soak them as well for at least 7 to 8 hours. Then bring water to boil and add the masoor dal to it. During the process of cooking, if there is a foam generated, we can gently remove the foam layer that is formed on the top. Then once it is half cooked, then we can add our ground red rice to it. Add little water to the ground red rice grains. Just stir it once and then add to the dal that is being cooked. Then give it a stir and then add the required amount of salt, turmeric powder as per your taste, and then slightly close the lid. Keep the flame to medium and allow the contents to cook. You can stir the contents once in between by opening the lid and for even cooking. Then once the dal and rice grains are almost cooked, then we can add the cut vegetables of our choice. Stir the content once and then close the lid completely now. As this mixture continues to cook, meanwhile on the other stove we shall start the seasoning. Take around half to 1 teaspoon of ghee depending on your body constitution. Then add the garlic, onion if you consume them. Otherwise, you can also give seasoning using cumin seeds, bay leaf, or even herbs like mint leaves, etc. Roast the onion and garlic only till they slightly become soft, and then we can add some herbs like thyme or any other herb that you like and is available at your place. Add them for flavor, and finally, we add the black pepper powder to bring out taste and spiciness. Then add little water to this seasoning and combine it well, and then finally add it to our main pot that is being cooked. Combine the mixture well, and if needed, add some hot water that is kept ready on the other stove, depending on the consistency that you desire. I wanted the recipe to be like a soup, so added little more water. But if you want it like a porridge to consume, then you don't have to add any water. Just allow the whole content to get all the flavors well. Just gently close the lid, and after 2 to 3 minutes of cooking in low flame, then give it a stir and finally garnish it with the coriander leaves. That's it, our wholesome, nutritious Navara rice soup or porridge is ready. I hope you will all make this healthy and tasty recipe and enjoy with your friends and family members. Thank you.